How to fix your Roblox 5333 error. If you're getting this error, then the first thing what you want to do is go to the browser, because since Roblox is not opening on the desktop, you need to access it using the browser. Go to your browser and search for roblox.com and log in into your account. It's the official website of Roblox. From over here, what you want to do is click on settings at the top right and click on settings again. And from inside settings, what you want to do is go on the privacy section. And on privacy section over here where it says account restriction, make sure it's off. If it is on, then it causes a problem and sometimes it shows you the error code 5333. Turn this off. Now, after you turn this off, you can close the website and try to open your Roblox app. Your problem should be fixed. If it's still not fixed, then the only issue is your internet. Try to check if your internet is slow or not. And if your internet is not the issue, the last thing you can do is delete your Roblox and reinstall it again. To delete Roblox, you just need to go to control panel on your device. So search for control panel. From inside control panel, click on uninstall a program. From over here at the top, you just write Roblox. Once you write Roblox, the first word says Roblox, click on it and Roblox will start to uninstall. Once Roblox uninstalling process is complete and Roblox is removed from your device, what you want to do is go on your browser and search for Roblox download. Once you search for Roblox download, click on Roblox download and it'll take you to this page. Click on download now and your Roblox installer will start to download. Once your Roblox installer is downloaded, you can go to your downloads folder and double click on Roblox installer and install Roblox and start playing. Like this, your problem should be fixed. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.